Assalamu alaikum, this is Murid Hussain and thanks for watching my video. OnePlus has confirmed that its OnePlus 8 range will be announced on April 14 during an online stream, as we already have solid rumors suggesting a OnePlus 8 as well as a OnePlus 8 Pro are on the way. We also have solid rumors to suggest that there is a new mid-range or budget device coming from the company, which we are calling the OnePlus Z. We might not see its launch alongside the other two devices in April. On the other hand, previous rumors suggested the budget device would be available by July, so we hope to see a release date before then. The OnePlus 8 and OnePlus 8 Pro both smartphones will be powered by Snapdragon 865 and support a 5G network. Both will run Android 10 out of the box and have two memory options: 8GB RAM with 1 to 8GB internal storage and 12GB RAM with 256GB internal storage. The OnePlus 8 has 6.55 inches Full HD display with 90Hz refresh rate, a single lens punch hole camera on the front, and a curved screen. Now OnePlus is going to dish the pop-up selfie mechanism. On the rear side, both OnePlus 8 models will have a vertical camera housing design in the center of the back. This is something that appears on the OnePlus Concept 1, but here is bit different changing in OnePlus 8 Pro, but discuss it later. OnePlus 8 has triple camera setup and it is expected of 48 megapixel with f1.8 main camera, a 16 megapixel ultra wide and a 2 megapixel macro camera, and both OnePlus 8 and OnePlus 8 Pro have 16 megapixel front camera. The renders also reveal the USB-C port and single speaker grill on the bottom. There is still no headphone jack inside, but we expected that. We also got a look at a few possible upcoming OnePlus 8 colors, which are glacial green and onyx black. The OnePlus 8 will have a 4300 mAh battery with 30-watt RAP fast charging but no wireless charging. The OnePlus 8 is said to have IP53 dust and waterproofing rating, while the OnePlus 8 Pro has an IP68 rating, meaning it's a lot more waterproof than previous devices. Waterproofing is something that has stuck and we believe OnePlus will be stepping up in this area. So here let's talk about OnePlus 8 Pro features which makes it more different than that of OnePlus 8 standard model. OnePlus 8 Pro will have 6.78 inches super fluid curved 120Hz display to have more accurate colors than before. It also features an MEMC chip, which is frame insertion technology that aims to make video smoother by boosting everything to 120Hz. This technology is used in high-end TVs. The OnePlus 8 Pro will have quad camera setup which are still vertically aligned in the center. It has 48 megapixel main camera, a 8 megapixel telephoto camera and also a 48 megapixel ultra wide camera. This is just wow. And a 5 megapixel depth camera. The OnePlus 8 Pro will have 4510 mAh battery which support 30-watt wired fast charging, 30-watt wireless charging and a 3-watt reverse wireless charging. So here OnePlus is going to improve their flagship devices. No doubt after Huawei P40 Pro, this device will be one of the best flagship of 2020. So before ending this video, if you are new on my channel, please make sure to subscribe my channel. It's all from my side. Thank you. Take care.